click the bell icon and never miss another update from Bollywood Spy. In less than a month, we all will finally get to know what exactly happened between Harry and Sejal in Shah Rukh Khan and Anushka Sharma starrer Jab Harry Met Sejal. But before that, the leads are making the audience aware of the scenario by promoting the film first. Well, on that note, recently Shah Rukh and Anushka visited the Kapil Sharma show for promoting their upcoming film. Given the fact that Shah Rukh is a man of wit, SRK and Kapil's quirky antics and their comical timings left the audience in splits. Well, all the fans of the show and SRK, you're definitely in for some laughter dose from the two. Shah Rukh and Anushka have already kickstarted their promotion in a unique style. Shah Rukh earlier launched the Radha song with hundreds of Sejals, then went club hopping in a pub with Anushka to launch the second song Beach Beach Mein. The Kapil Sharma Jab Harry Met Sejal episode will air soon, so don't you miss this episode.